Today I'm cooking vegetarian stir-fried glass noodles. It is simple and very satisfying. This recipe is for 2 to 3 servings. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of shredded cabbage, 180 grams of shredded carrots, 50 grams of fresh wood ear mushroom, washed and cut into small pieces, 150 grams of dry glass noodles, soaked in water for 20 minutes, 1.5 cup of bean sprout, quarter cups of water, 2 stalks of spring onions, 1 block of firm tofu, cut into small pieces. This is what it looks like. 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, and 2 tablespoons of garlic oil. We start with cutting the glass noodles. When soaking the glass noodle, try not to spread the noodle to make it easier when cutting the noodles. So I will cut it into 2 to 3 inches length. Alright, the noodles are ready. Let's cook. Heat the pan to high heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and wait for the oil to heat up. Use a spatula to spread the oil around the pan. Add in the tofu and fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the tofu is cooked. Switch off the heat and remove all of the tofu from the pan. Place it in a bowl and set it aside. In the same pan, add in the balance of garlic oil. Switch on the heat. When oil is hot, add in all of the glass noodles. Stir fry for about 20 seconds to coat the glass noodle with oil. Next, add in all of the wood ear mushroom and cabbage. Mix it all together. Add in all of the water. Stir to cook and allow glass noodle to absorb all water. Next, add in the light soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, pepper, sugar, mushroom sauce, and 1 teaspoon of crispy fried garlic. Give it a stir for about 30 seconds or until the ingredients and seasonings are well combined. Next, add in the shredded carrot and bean sprout. Continue to stir and mix for another 2 to 3 minutes until all of the ingredients and seasonings are well combined. After 2.5 minutes, the glass noodles are cooked and the vegetables are also soft. Next, add in the spring onions and the cooked tofu. Give it a mix. And we are done. Switch off the heat. Now, the simple and delicious vegetarian stir-fried glass noodles are ready to be served. Garnish with crispy fried garlic for a lovely fragrance. Let's eat! Wow! Delicious! Very fragrant and flavorful. The glass noodles are cooked just perfectly and the vegetables are so crunchy. This goes so well with firm chewy tofu. Lovely! Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!